Hey guys, it's Dan the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm over here at the Silverton Casino, where they have special promotions all throughout the week and all that stuff. And today, it should be 50% off of something to eat and some kind of bonus, guys. Whether it's like a free Starbucks or maybe free slap play, something. Once in a while, it's like gift certificate for the gift shop where you can buy like soda and chips and stuff. All right, we'll see what it is. We'll go swipe the card. Here we go, guys. Oh, guys, the Silverton always brings back memories for me. Decades ago, when I used to visit Vegas, they would have Friday night all-you-can-eat lobster buffet. I would eat so much of it, guys. But of course, that's all over. No more buffet here. I still do not know what they did with the buffet space. Because I don't come in that often and I'm not sure. I think they put in su casa mi casa. I don't know these things, guys. All right. Now, this is the one of the few places where I prefer to take the stairs. And the parking is free. 100% free. Just drive on in and park. No gates, no validation, no nothing. All right, go down this way over here. What is it? $10 free table bet. And we're printing this out. I hope I win this. Here we go. Okay, one entree. 50% off. There we go. Let's get this paper as well. All right, so I took the $10 free bet over to the craps table. I put it down on the pass line. I rolled a 10, so I needed a 10. And then 3 rolls later, the 7 came out, and it's like, oh, what a waste of time, guys. Anyway, so let's head on over to Woohoo Noodles, where we're gonna get the usual beef stew noodle with thin noodle, guys, with soup noodle. Soup noodle, guys, is so good. Oh boy. I'm telling you, it's Tongue and Steve's favorite. I'm gonna tease them by sending them a photo. All right, noodle time. That's a good name of a restaurant, Noodle Time. Yeah. And here we go. Usually the line is out the door for Woohoo Noodle because it's so popular. Here we go. Oh, not much of a line right now. I'm in luck. Ha ha ha. All right, so the dish I'm talking about is called Hong Kong beef stew noodle soup for 20 bucks. 50% off, 10 bucks. Comes with the brisket and tendon, bok choy, noodles, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask them for no bok choy and get me scallions or green onions instead. We'll see if they'll be up for it. There we go. So the way I'm gonna phrase my order today, first I'm gonna ask, do you allow substitution? You know, and then if they say yes, then I'll say, give me the beef brisket soup, no tendon, no bok choy, add in the green onions, you know. But if they say no substitution, then I'll just leave it alone. I'll eat the bok choy. There's nothing wrong with bok choy, but I just really enjoy scallions, or AKA green onions. Yeah, so the line, not too long today, but it's still a heck of a wait. I've been standing here, my knee's gonna give out. And Chef Ray is working. Maybe he'll come by the table later to say hello. All right. He had a haircut. Is that even Chef Ray? You know, to tell you the truth, I don't have my glasses. Which over at the craps table, it was killing me. The craps table here is a crapless crap, so it's super long. I throw it, I can't even see what number comes out. I just have to trust them. You know, not the way I like to play. Don't trust nobody, guys. Yeah, just waiting online. So while I'm waiting in line, I'll tell you, the other day I went to Trader Joe's and picked up several bags of the pot stickers. Lo and behold, turns out the pot stickers have cabbage in it. and I do not digest cabbage. Therefore, I was gassy for 2.5 days. My goodness. And I was eating a lot of them. I was like, oh, because they're so good, you know? I used to eat them all the time, you know, back in New York. I'll buy them, cook them up, eat them. But I think like, oh, like the ones here got that type of cabbage. Oh my goodness. Oh, you don't want me to continue talking about it. Oh my goodness. It's like so much cabbage. And I was like, oh my goodness. Yeah, so I gotta take it easy on that. Maybe even give them away to somebody. I'll be like, hey, you want these pot stickers? I'm not gonna eat them. They got too much cabbage. Hi, for here, please.
For here. Okay, what can I get for you, sir?
I think the Hong Kong beef stew noodle soup.
Okay, Hong Kong beef stew noodle soup.
Yeah, do you allow substitution?
What kind of substitution you want, sir?
No bok choy, but put green onion instead.
No bok choy. Ate, pwede ba tayo mag-substitution, diba? No bok choy. And then,
Huh?
no bok choy.
And then instead of bok choy, green onion or scallion. I'll eat the tendon, guys.
Okay, sir, what else?
That's it.
That's it. Okay, Hong Kong beef stew noodle soup. No bok choy. Add scallions.
Okay.
As for here, it's $21.68. Thank you.
All right, the order has been placed. Got here number 68, guys. I've been waiting for them to give me paddle number 69. They never do. They always give me 68. So, now what's going on is that I gotta get a cup of water and some utensils. That's far away, guys. I'll be back. Leave that right there. All right, I am back. I have here chopsticks, napkins, and my teeny weeny, itty bitty little cup of water. I'm gonna take it easy on this, guys. God forbid I have to go get a refill. It's all the way down there. They need to put bigger cups. Like this is like cups you get at the dentist for rinsing your mouth. Here you go. So small, guys. So yes, number 68, just waiting for the food. Yeah, I used to come here so often. Haven't been here for at least a month. Or maybe 2 months. You know, I forgot all about the discount that they always have. Still can't believe I lost that $10 free certificate. I should have put it on roulette. It would have saved me some time. Yeah, we don't know these things, guys. Oh, thank you. All right. She took my 68. It is looking so good, guys. First, the broth. Oh, nice and beefy. Because they put like the beef stew soup sauce in it. You know, the saucy beef stew sauce. Otherwise, it'll taste like chicken. Nice and refreshing. Good and soft. All right, now I'm going to send Steve and Tong the photos that you just saw in the closer look. They're gonna be so jealous, guys. They're gonna be so jelly. Uh-huh. The noodles are lengthy. Man, these noodles are really good this time. It's not overcooked or anything. They got the right amount of springiness, very delicious. Ah. All right, this piece is a little chewy. This one needs to be cooked a little longer. Ah. Ah, so good, guys. Let's eat this piece. That one's nice and soft. All right, so I'll tell you. There's been some comments below, right? Dan the Medic, go check out Tuscany's all-inclusive. So I looked at the deal. $102 to book the room, and it comes with this stuff here. I mean, like, free breakfast, a whole bunch of 50% off something, right? All you can drink, but then if you're a gambler, it's all you can drink anyway while you play. But you're not a gambler, then it'll make more sense, right? There's a local and then a non-local deal. Locals get free drinks at the pool, free frozen drinks. That sounds delicious. But man, I don't know if I should go through with it. I don't know, guys. It's like $100. And of course, you get $10 match bet and $10 free slap play or something like that. I don't know. It'll be hard to win back $100 with that. Now, there is free breakfast at the in the morning, right? But if it had a free dinner, then it might be worth it. I don't know, guys. It's a tough choice. It's not as, the deal is not sweet enough to make me say, hey, I'm gonna go do it. But it's not bad enough to be like, hey, you know, no way. Still on the fence on this one. The Circa also have all-inclusive, but it's expensive. Basically, it's like $400, but you get $100 drink credit, $100 dining credit. I'm like, oh, you see, the thing is, I don't really drink. You know, so again, and if you're a gambler, the drinks are on the house anyway. MGM, all inclusive. They got showroom, some food, right? But I've been to the rooms over there, and they only give you Luxor and Excalibur. I'm just right, and that ain't so great. And the shows, I don't know. You know, the restaurant choices, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Roller coaster ride, been on it before. I guess for people who've never been on the roller coaster ride, it might be worth it. I don't know I'll be going on that one. I don't know, guys. We'll see. We shall see. Golly, I wish they would put more noodles in here. I'm out. Well, out of noodles, guys. So I guess I call that the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Woohoo Noodles, Silverton, half off. Have a good one. New video every day.